Hello everyone. Today, we will make Pikachu using origami. Let's make and play. First, fold the origami paper in half to make a rectangular triangle. Fold in half again. Next, open the triangular folded part into a bag and fold it. Fold the other side in the same way to make a square. Along the center line on the left and right, make a crease. Flip it over and crease the same way. Open it up and make a square. Fold it from bottom to top and align the left and right sides in the center. Fold the back side in the same way. Now let's make Pikachu's ears. Fold the top triangle down. Turn it over and angle the bifurcated corners. Along the midpoint of the line. Fold the bottom corner up along the crease and overlap the corners. Fold the overlapping corners down. Finally, fold the bottom corner up and trim the creases to complete.